Okay, so now let's run through all the sounds of Russian. We have 6 vowel sounds, they're on the left, and 36 consonant sounds, they're on the right. There's also one vowel sound that we often pronounce in Russian, even though officially it doesn't exist. It's the same sound that you have in English, which you call the schwa sound. I mean the sound. In Russian, we make this sound when the letters a and o are in the unstressed position. The vowel sounds are pronounced the same as the vowel letters. But most Russian consonant letters make 2 similar sounds, the hard one and the soft one. The exceptions are the letters y, zh, sha, sha, tse, che. They only make 1 sound. In this course, all the soft consonants are marked by an apostrophe so that you can identify them more easily. We make the soft version of all the consonants by putting the tongue up and forward, which is similar to the tongue position you have for the English E sound, as in the words tree or key. We only pronounce the soft sounds when the consonant letters are followed by the letters I, ye, yo, you, ya, or the soft sign. When the consonant letters are followed by the other letters, we always pronounce the hard version of the sound. Okay, now let me quickly sum up what I've just said. There are 42 sounds in Russian, 6 vowels and 32 consonants. Plus, we pronounce the sound a, or the schwa sound, when a and o are unstressed. Most Russian consonant letters make 2 similar sounds, the hard one and the soft one, except for y, zh, sha, sha, tse, che. In this course, all the soft consonants are marked by an apostrophe. We only pronounce the soft sounds when the consonant letters are followed by I, ye, yo, you, ya, and the soft sign. Okay, now let's say all the sounds together. Here we go.